Hi there, today we are making a super rich and delicious yet a simple and easy to make chocolate sheet cake. Okay, this is so moist and tender and is topped with a rich and silky chocolate frosting. You are absolutely going to love this one, guys, so let's get started. To a bowl, I'm going to go in with 210 grams of all-purpose flour. I'll go ahead and add 75 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder or natural cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. I'll then go ahead and sift all my dry ingredients nicely. At this point, I'm going to go in with 150 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar, and with my whisk, I'm going to mix everything together until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Now in a separate bowl, we are going to combine all our wet ingredients. So I'm going to start by cracking in 2 eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature, okay? And also, if you are using more than an egg in any recipe, make sure you crack them separately. This practice acts as a quality check, ensuring that only good eggs enter your mixture, okay, saving on ingredients and reducing wastage. I'll go ahead and add 3/4 cup of milk. You can use whole milk. I'm using semi-skimmed milk. I'll add 1/4 cup of melted margarine. You can as well use butter for this recipe, okay? And I'll add half a cup of vegetable oil. I'll then go ahead and whisk them properly until everything is properly combined. Here I have 3/4 hot water, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of coffee, okay? This enhances the flavor of the chocolate cake. I'm going to mix this together and we are going to be adding it to our batter later. Okay, so at this point we are going to add our wet ingredients to the dry ones and we are going to mix everything properly until we have a smooth batter. And remember, you need not to overmix this batter, okay, because we do not want our cake to be tough. And let me use this opportunity to thank you all for your support. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And if you are new here, you are most welcome, and we hope that you enjoy your stay on this channel. Our batter is looking all good already, so this is the point we add our coffee, okay? So I'll just stir carefully until it combines properly with our batter and it is smooth. And this is the exact consistency that we are going in for, okay? Don't mind if your batter is very thin. This is what we actually want. So we'll set that aside, and then in my prepared pan, I'm going to pour in the batter, and into the oven it goes. Whilst our cake is baking, we'll go ahead and put together a quick chocolate frosting. So to a bowl, I'm going to go in with half cup of margarine, you can use butter, okay, but ensure to omit salt when you are using margarine, because margarine contains an amount of salt. I'll go ahead and add 2.5 cups of icing sugar. I'll add 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 amount of milk, and then 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now on a low speed, I'm going to use my hand mixer to combine these ingredients nicely. At this point, I'm just scraping the sides of my bowl so that we ensure that the icing sugar doesn't stick to the bottom of our bowl. And then we continue with our mixing. And in no time, our chocolate buttercream frosting is ready, guys. Look at how it's looking. So nice, silky, soft, and very delicious. This is so yummy. Tell me in the comment section if we are going to be trying this out. So guys, our cake is ready, okay? It smells so good. So this is how we test it. Our toothpick came out very clean, which suggests that it's fully baked. So I allowed it to cool for about 10 minutes and then transferred it onto my wire rack to cool completely, okay? So I just take the pan off and also the parchment paper so that it can cool down completely before we add our frosting on top. This really came out very soft, okay, very soft to touch. So our cake has cooled down completely, and then we are going to add our frosting to this, okay? So I'm just adding all the frosting that we made, everything. We are just going to put that together and then just design it the way we want. If you have some chocolate sprinkles, you can add them to it, but for me the frosting is just enough, okay? So guys, it's now time for us to enjoy this deliciousness, guys. How do you see this cake? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? Let me know if you are going to give this a try. And mind you can use this for your parties, family get together, what have you, or you just want to pamper yourself. This is the go-to and easy recipe you can use, okay? It's so soft, delicious, and very moist. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this out. And also do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then guys, I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye bye.